y'all, it's AK or Ashley K, and welcome to or back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for clicking on the video, and if you are a returner, you already know what it do, what's popping around these parts. Welcome back to another video. So y'all can see I'm sporting a new hairstyle. I got these butterfly locks in that I did by myself. If you want to see a tutorial on how I achieved this look, then I can do that for you guys for sure. Be sure to like this video and drop a comment. However, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I style these locks. It was my first time ever really doing it on myself, and I'm really happy with the turnout and the final product. I love this style so much. I feel like it suits me so well. Just very, you know, short, lightweight, bouncy. Even the way that it's done, like the lock itself, just very vibrant and nice for summertime, and very easy to manipulate. I feel as though a lot of times we might shy away from like protected styles because we're like, oh, I can't manipulate it, I can't really do too much with it, can't really style it any way I want to. Or even in terms of like, you know, outfit choices, y'all know certain looks don't go good with certain outfits. But today I'm going to be showing you guys how I style these locks. You can still have a variety of looks with them. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we're just going to go ahead and get right into it.
So that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I styled butterfly locks. I hope you all actually get to try butterfly locks for yourselves. I bet they look very, very good on you guys. And I hope you guys also do incorporate some of these styles that I've shown you guys. Very easy to manipulate, a very cute summertime look. I'll catch you guys very, very soon in future videos featuring not only protective styles, but my natural hair as well, wigs, all that good stuff. Without further ado, I'm gonna catch y'all later. Until then, goodbye.